This is Kyang Kyang. This is Kyang Kyang. And this is Mamila. We are tandem in vlog-vlogan time. Ang gagawin namin ngayon ay mag-detect ng vitamins na si Kyang Kyang. Secret ang pangalan dahil hindi siya nagpapa-sponsor. Ayan, ito yung kanyang iniinom. Vitamin T prevent pampalaki ng T. And C, vitamin C, pampalaki ng sai. So, now taking time of vitamins para lagi si Kyang Kyang ay healthy and brilliant. Kyang Kyang! Look at the camera! Oh, there, oh. This is Kyang Kyang. And this is Mamila. Sige na. Tik, 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 tik. Yeah. Yummy. Salamat po sa vitamins. Yan. Every take ni Kyang Kyang as always asking a prayer. So that God will give Kyang Kyang good health, and the vitamins is only the mediator of our God. Mediator. Siya yung kasangkapan. It is the properties of our Lord God, the vitamins. Another one. Wow, no more vitamins na ikaw, Pupo. Mag-change na ikaw ng vitamins. Ay, nothing gonna change my love for you ng vitamins mong aring isa. My God. Ay! Nothing gonna change my love for you, no. Hindi na natin makuha po. It's dangerous to us. Natapon ng iba. So, let's taste na lang this one. 7! Very good, very good, very good, very good. And then you sip a water after all the changes in your vitamins. Nice. Now let's eat. So, until our mga friendship, bye-bye. This is Kyang Kyang and Mami Lassie. Goodbye.